We baby wearing consultants often do videos to demonstrate how to use a baby carrier, or that it is possible to use a baby carrier even if you're handicapped, like when only having one arm. What I saw in many videos is that baby wearing consultants have one arm out that they do not use, fully use, like normal, like a healthy arm. So only as if it's half of the arm. So they can still use half of it to hold the carrier or hold the baby. And I now want to try to do a video where I really only use one arm. I put the other away. Yes, I am not handicapped. I have two healthy arms, so it's not as if I'm really handicapped, and I'm sorry for that. But I did this video with intention to show you how to come up with ideas. So everyone who maybe can only use one arm can get an idea what is possible and what they can still do when they want to carry their baby. I have my baby doll here, and for the video I chose the Hoppeditz Primeo because, yeah, I will show you later. It has a safety buckle, but still possible to open with one hand. It's looking like this, and we have to adjust the width of the carrier, of course, once. And this is also very easy with one hand. You can just use your teeth like this. And now getting it around your body, making sure to open this a lot. This is the safety rubber. Well, the carrier won't open if the buckle breaks. And fasten. So the Primeo has no padded shoulder straps, and they are white. I chose this carrier over other carriers because it's very comfortable on the shoulder when you have the arm tied away like this. So probably also when you only have one arm. I tried this carrying style too with an Ergo Baby carrier with padded shoulder straps, and when I had them in the edge shape like a rucksack, it felt like the shoulder strap would slip off my shoulder. I didn't like that, and the crossed shoulder straps, I had one very close to my neck, and I didn't like that. So this one here has crossed shoulder straps too, but they stay where they should. So I put them over. Like this. So they are wide open, and the carrier is now hanging in front of my belly. And now I get my baby. Now I'm bending forward, like in case you can also have it on your knees. I'm bending forward, having it very close on me, and then going up. I'm supporting my baby with my chin. And now, while bending backwards and holding my baby, I can get the headrest but in between. I can get one leg inside. Now can move baby, holding baby while bending backwards. And get the other leg also in the carrier, and now pulling the carrier up like this. The arms can go in. If I feel like my baby needs more support, I can also use the headrest. To hold with my teeth up. And now I can pull the shoulder straps. Like this. This is now the most difficult part. Like this. And now the baby's in the carrier. So probably when you only have one arm, you can turn your arm a lot, and this is not a problem getting to reach the strap to pull. Yeah, of course. Then you can support the head of your baby like this, or getting this stuffed inside to support your baby. Yeah, and when you want to get it out, you can just this one loosen. Of course, you can also use the headrest again. Getting out of the carrier. And put your baby down. If you're really good, you do not need to start with both shoulder straps on the shoulder. You can also have one under and then get it up while your baby is in. Yeah. If you want to get out of this easily, you can get this up. And where is it? Open this one here too. And then get it over your head. Out of it again. Now open this buckle. And you used the carrier with one arm only.